Well, ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, every party seems to be having its fair share of trouble. In our headlines today, exclusive, let's tell you that with lessons learned from the flop rally in Delhi, the Trinamool Congress has now decided to change its national strategy. The party, according to sources, has cancelled the Kurukshetra rally that was to be held today. Mamata Banerjee is returning now to Kolkata. The change in plan comes after a major failure of the Delhi rally. The party will now be no more campaigning at the moment. Whether the party will go ahead with its scheduled rally in Ahmedabad on the 20th is also uncertain now. Manogya Loiwal, who's getting us that bit of exclusive information, now joins us with more details. So Manogya, what exactly will the national strategy of the Trinamool Congress be like from here on?
Well, we've seen that it has been a big setback from the Anna missing out the rally, and of course Mamata Banerjee just addressing a few hundreds of people there in the rally in scorching sun. But what is more important is that it would also remains to be seen on how the party will go ahead with the election campaign. First and foremost, the party will not consider campaigning across the country the way it had been planning till now. The second on the list is that whether they will be campaigning in the Hindi heartland because of the very minimal turnout that they've seen in the Delhi, despite a lot of hopes and a lot of preparation for more than 10 days. On whether they will take support of Anna is also what remains to be seen, on whether Anna will be continuing campaigning, because the biggest rally that was supposed to be held in Ramlila Maidan was almost a big flop show that we've seen yesterday. And also whether the party will go ahead and campaign in Ahmedabad or whether it will go slow on Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party is what remains to be seen. We have also confirmed from our sources that this is also the change in strategy of national ambitions of Mamata Banerjee, on whether she would be campaigning herself or only the party leaders would be gathering and garnering support, because we've also been told that a lot of candidates who were supposed to turn up in the Kurukshetra rally today and get tickets for their candidature in the Lok Sabha polls from Trinamool Congress in Haryana and parts of Delhi are in a double mind, and whether they will accept the offer from Trinamool Congress or not is also under a cloud of doubt.